Figure shows a series LCR circuit connected to a variable frequency. So voltage we have, inductance C and R all are given. Determine the source frequency which drives the circuit in resonance. So source frequency means F that we have to find. We know that omega is equal to 1 upon under root LC. This is the time of resonance. Now omega is 2 pi f is equal to 1 upon under root LC. So f is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. So f is equal to, right, 1 upon 2 into 3.14 into under root L. L is 5 into C, 80 into 10 raised to minus 6. 10 raised to minus 6, right? So here answer is equal to, so frequency is 7.96 hertz, right? So that is resonance natural frequency. Now second question, once obtain the impedance of the circuit and amplitude of current. So impedance Z, amplitude of the current means peak Im at the resonant frequency. So at the time of resonance, Z is equal to omega L is equal to 1 upon omega C. So in that equation we are only left with R, so impedance will become resistance. Now amplitude of current, so we know that formula IRMS is equal to VRMS upon mod Z. VRMS, so see VRMS means Vm upon root 2 into R. So simple IRMS is equal to Vm upon root 2 into R. Now see here voltage source is given, so we can also write 230 upon R direct, so 40. So 23 upon 4, right? 23 upon 4 is 5.75, but it is IRMS. To find that Im is equal to root 2 1.41 into 5.75, so into 1.41, so that is 8.10 ampere. So this is amplitude of current. Now next question is determine the RMS potential drop across the three elements of the circuit. Show that the potential drop across LC combination is 0 at the resonating frequency. So see at the VL, IRMS into that inductance, so XL means omega into L, so is equal to IRMS is 5.75 into omega, that is 50, and L is 5, so 5.75 into 50 into 5, so that is one, that value is 1437.5 voltage. Then VC is equal to IRMS upon omega C, right? So is equal to 5.75 upon omega is 50 and C is 80 into 10 raised to minus 6. So that is 5.75 upon 50 upon 80, right, into again 1437.5 volt, right? Both will get same voltage because of resonance. And VR is equal to IRMS into capital R, so 5.75 into 40, so that is 5.75 into 40, that will come 230, right? So 230 across resistance. Now potential drop across LC, so I into omega L minus 1 upon omega C, but we know that omega L is equal to 1 upon omega C. If both are same, then this will become 0, so VLC becomes 0 at the time of resonance.